Assalamu alaikum dear students. In the previous lesson, we had an idea about the articles a and an. Today the article we are going to discuss is the. Dear students, the is a definite article because it refers to a particular thing. The man wearing spectacles is Sarah's husband. Let's have an idea about the article the from this example. Here you can see they are pointing towards a man who is wearing spectacles is Sarah's husband. So there they are actually distinguishing this man from every other man. Here we are using the especially for the man wearing spectacles, not just for any man. So students, in this example they are pointing towards a man who is wearing spectacles and is looking different from every other man. So the article the has been put in front in start of this sentence. The guests at Arshad's party last night made a lot of noise. Students, here they are referring the guests at Arshad's party, not any ordinary guest or at any other's party. They are specifically referring towards the guests that are attending Arshad's party. The refers to the guests at Arshad's party, not just any guests. We use a or an when we talk about something for the first time. We use the when we talk about it again. For example, there is a squirrel in the tree outside my window. They are pointing towards a squirrel and are talking about this squirrel for the first time, so they have put a before squirrel. When my cat jumps up on the desk, the squirrel scampers away. Here they are mentioning that squirrel for the second time, so they have put the before squirrel. The is also used when we talk about a noun that represents a whole class. The jasmine is Pakistan's national flower. Here they are representing a whole class of flowers, so they have put the before jasmine. We do not use the before proper nouns. However, some proper nouns are written with the before them. We use the before the names of points of the globe, mountain ranges, holy books, newspapers, oceans, seas, rivers and trains. For example, the equator, the Rockies, the Bible, the Quran, the Daily Dawn, the Arctic Ocean, the Black Sea, the Indus, the Satluj, the Bolan Express, the Khyber Mail. Or before something of which there is only one: the moon, the sky, the earth, the world. The moon, the sky, the earth, the world. These four things are just one in number in the whole universe. So we can also use the before these things. For example, the moon. We know that earth has only one moon, so we put the before it. Sky, the earth. There is only one earth and there is only one world according to our knowledge. So the world, the has been put before the world. Alright students, now moving towards page number 45 of your grammar book, we will be solving exercise B first. In exercise B, they are asking us to fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Number 1, you can see the pole star on clear nights. Here, pole star is a singular thing, like we discussed earlier about the moon, the earth, the sky. Here also the pole star is a singular thing in this world, so the article the has been put. Number 2, the K2 is the tallest mountain in Pakistan. Similarly, K2 is also a single mountain in the world, so the has been put. Number 3, the dog is called man's best friend. Here they are pointing towards a whole class, so the has been put before the dog. Number 4, have you seen the Leaning Tower of Pisa? Here also a singular thing. The Tower of Pisa is a distinguished singular thing in this world. Please give me the cake that is on the counter. Here the has been put because cake is not a specific thing, but there they are mentioning a cake that is specifically on the counter, so it is distinguished from every other cake. Specific cake that is put on the counter. Number 6, the National Museum is a popular museum in Pakistan. National Museum is also a specific and distinguished singular thing. 7. The earth revolves around the sun. Similarly, to first second, the earth revolves around the sun. 8. The ink in my pen is red. Here, two things are distinguishing the ink, that is specifically in my pen and is of red color. Mother Teresa became famous for her work with the poor. They are actually representing a whole class here. So the article da has been put. Number 10, Rome is the capital of Italy. Again, a distinguished specific thing. The coffee in my cup is too hot. Specifically, the coffee in my cup is too hot. So article da has been put. Next is Mrs. Sajid stepped in a puddle and got dirty water on her clothes. Here students, you can see that it is not a specific puddle. This is a ordinary puddle. So the article a has. Our neighbors have a cat and a dog. Non-specific things, so indefinite articles. Shazia is studying to be an engineer. See, vowel sound. So I have put an before, and it is not a definite or particular thing, so the article an has been used. Alright students, now moving towards exercise C, fill in the blanks with a, an, or, the, and complete the passage. I will be reading it. A hole is a thing that does not exist. Have you heard about air pockets? They are holes in the air. They are even less than nothing. Air is nothing itself. How can there be a hole in it? If you are in an aeroplane and the plane drops into an air pocket, you get a funny feeling inside your tummy. Very well known are the holes in the thumbs of the mittens. The fingers are snug and cozy in the warm and colorful mitten. But the thumb is freezing because the mitten has worn out there, leaving behind a big hole. Donuts also have a hole in the center, and so do mints. You can blow air through them but not eat them. So the next time you see a hole, think about what it is. I have used the articles a, an and da in the whole passage, dependent upon the starting sound and the distinguishing characters between the definite thing or indefinite thing. So students, try to learn it, try to memorize it, and try to solve it by yourself so you can have an idea about the articles completely. Thank you so much for listening. Allah Hafiz.